Hi, I'm Kendall with Wolf Industries. Today I wanted to show you what our yard expansion is looking like. We're planning on expanding our yard to hold more houses, as well as expanding the shop. And the idea is to better serve our customers. We want multi-unit houses to go through the production queue faster. That way our individual customers are better served as well, so they can get into those production slots quicker and get their houses on foundations when they're ready. Rock.
Wow.
Dirt.
Wow.
So here we have our retention pond. It's pretty large, but it should serve not just our project here at Wolf, but should serve some neighboring properties as well. And then this road right here should eventually connect all the way through over that way.